Hi and welcome to this new series of Epson ColourWorks videos. My name is Adam Samuel. I am the product manager for Epson colour label printers. I'm here today with the ColourWorks C6500Ae printer. We've all had to change printer rolls or occasionally clear a media jam. With the new Epson driver, it couldn't be easier. By following each of these simple steps, you'll be up and running in no time. When a paper jam occurs, you'll see this error message. Open the viewing panel. Slide the printer head to the right. Open the back and raise the release lever. Remove the jam from the viewing panel and make a clean cut. Now you can lower the release lever and close the back cover. Press the pause button to reset, and now the printer is ready.